Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Varalakshmi, Dean Academics and Associate Professor from the Department of Computer Science with Data Science, SDNB Vaishnav College for Women. Welcome to this practical scenario 1, IP addressing and subnetting. In this session, we will explore the concept of the default gateway, the critical link between your local network and the outside world. You'll learn how to identify, verify and configure the default gateway in various network setups, building a strong foundation for advanced IP addressing and subnetting skills. A well-configured gateway is a key to smooth, efficient network communication. So let's get started. So as you could see here, this is the first scenario, assignment on IP addressing and subnetting. So your router has the address 172.16.2.1/23 on the Ethernet interface. So which IP address can be assigned to a host connected to the Ethernet interface of the router, and what will be the host default gateway? So moving on to the solution, given the router's IP address 172.16.2.1/23, it belongs to class B network. So the given interface is Ethernet interface. So in order to determine the subnet details for 172.16.2.1/23, we could subtract the total number of bits 32 minus 23, which is 9. So we need to place 9 zeros in the host portion. So we have 255.255.254.0. So that is, we have placed 8 zeros over here and 1 zero over here. So the subnet mask becomes 255.255.254.0. So the CIDR is /23. So /23 subnet includes 2 power 9, which is 512 addresses, wherein we leave one address for network, the other one for broadcast address. So total of 510 usable UIP hosts will be there. So host per subnet is 510. The valid subnet is 256 minus 254, which is 2. So we have to start from 2.0 and then end with 4.0. So the tabulated subnet details become, so we can tabulate it in the form of subnet, subnet mask, network address, first host, last host and the broadcast address. So coming to the subnet 172.16.2.0/23, and the subnet mask is 255.255.254.0. The network address is 172.16.2.0. The broadcast address is 172.16.3.255. So when we increment the network address 1, we will get first host, so which is 172.16.2.1. So when we decrement broadcast address by 1, we get the last host, that is 172.16.3.254. So coming to the conclusion, the valid IP address from 172.16.2.1 to 172.16.3.254 can be assigned to the host. So the default gateway should be 172.16.2.1, which is the first address, that is the first hop address, which is the router's IP on that given subnet. So 172.16.2.0/23. So this is what the conclusion for this one. So thank you for participating in this practical scenario 1 on identifying the default gateway. Your enthusiasm and dedication to understanding the network fundamentals make learning both effective and enjoyable. Keep practicing these concepts. Every gateway you identify correctly brings you closer to mastering network management. So looking forward to see you in the next practical series. Stay connected, stay curious. Thank you.